What if you could multiply your YouTube earnings without spending hours on content? I'm talking about churning out 101 YouTube shorts in just 8 minutes with only a few AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. I discovered a few AI tools that will basically do most of the work for you. Stick around because I'm about to unveil some AI magic that's going to blow your mind, and you will not find this information anywhere else on YouTube. YouTube shorts are not just viral hits, they're cash cows. Don't believe me? YouTube Shorts videos receive a staggering 50 billion views per day. That's right, 50 billion. And let's not forget creators who've landed sponsorship deals worth thousands just from a 15-second clip. I'm talking real money here. Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even driving sales to your own online store. So if you think shorts are just for laughs or quick views, think again. We're turning those 15 seconds into a full-blown revenue machine. But here's the catch. To tap into this gold mine, you've got to churn out content and lots of it. You might be thinking, great, now I've got to spend all day making shorts. Nope. That's where you're wrong. Welcome to the era of the AI revolution, where we're ditching the old school grind for something way more efficient. You see, the traditional way involves hours of brainstorming, scripting, filming, and editing. It's a full-time job, but what if I told you that you could condense all those hours into mere minutes? I'm not talking shortcuts. I'm talking about a complete overhaul of the content creation process. With AI, you're not just speeding things up, you're transforming the entire game. Imagine creating a month's worth of content in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show. Let's not waste any more time and get into it. We're kicking things off with the first and most crucial step, ideation. But we're not just staring at a blank screen. We're getting a little help from our AI friend, ChatGPT. Alright, let's dive in. First step, ideation. And we're not doing it alone, we've got ChatGPT to help us out. Now, you might know ChatGPT for its chat capabilities, but it's also a brainstorming powerhouse. The key is in the prompts. Instead of asking generic questions, let's get creative and specific. For example, if your channel is about fitness, you could ask ChatGPT, generate 3 YouTube Shorts ideas that combine high-intensity interval training workouts and trending pop songs. Want to make it even more engaging? Ask ChatGPT for a catchy opening line for your video. Try this prompt. What's a captivating first sentence for a YouTube short about quick and healthy breakfast recipes? And here's a golden nugget. Use ChatGPT to generate a cliffhanger question to keep your audience hooked. Prompt it with, what's a suspenseful question I can ask at the end of my YouTube short about budget travel tips? See, in just a few moments, ChatGPT can give you not just unique ideas, but also engaging elements to add to your shorts. It's like having an entire creative department in your pocket. So we've got our killer ideas. Now it's time to bring them to life with some compelling scripts. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of just asking ChatGPT for a YouTube short script, let's guide its tone and style to match what we want. For example, if you're doing a fitness video, you could prompt ChatGPT with, act as a fitness guru and give unconventional ways to lose weight. Make sure the tone is conversational and interesting. Or if you're focusing on tech, try this. Pretend you're a tech insider leaking the top 5 features of the next iPhone. Keep it engaging and avoid technical jargon. Want to add a call to action? Stick to the formula. Act as a persona and talk about topic. Make sure the tone is desired tone and end with a call to action to specific action. For example, if you're making a video about making money online, your prompt could be, act as a financial advisor and talk about making money online. Make sure the tone is conversational and end with a call to action to subscribe for more tips. By giving ChatGPT specific prompts that dictate the tone and content, you can get a script that's not just informative, but also engaging and tailored to your audience. Alright, we've covered a lot, but here's the cherry on top. Organization. Let's make this process even faster, shall we? Step 1. Create a new Google Sheet and name it YouTube Shorts Prompts. Step 2. In column A, list down the types of videos you want to create. For example, fitness tips, cooking hacks, etc. Step 3. In column B, paste the ChatGPT prompts you found to be effective. Remember those killer prompts we used earlier? They go here. Step 4. Now, whenever you need a new video idea or script, simply modify the elements in these saved prompts. Step 5. Copy the modified prompt and paste it into ChatGPT or any other tool you're using. And that's it. You've just streamlined your content creation process. Now you can generate tons of scripts in no time. Alright folks, as you can see on the screen, I've just opened up Lumen 5. This tool is a lifesaver for those of us who aren't Steven Spielberg but still want to make movie magic. We will start our video creation process by clicking on the plus sign. Then we're going to choose a template from these various options. Let's go with this one for now. You can choose according to your preference. Then we're going to choose the format of the video. Since we want to create YouTube Shorts, we will go with 9:16. In this next step, we will paste the script we made using ChatGPT into this box. After pasting the script, we will use the Continue with AI option so that it optimizes the script. Now we will convert this script to video by a simple click. And boom, there you go. The AI is now generating your video. Alright, we've got our video, and it's a stunner. Now let's get it where it belongs, on YouTube, but specifically as a short. Pay attention, this is crucial. First, tap the plus button at the bottom and select Upload a Video, then select the video you created using Lumen 5. If you're enjoying the value from this video so far, then you are going to love the free ebook I created that reveals my 7 secrets for creating and growing a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools and making really good money from it. The secrets I will show you are what allowed me to have many faceless channels of mine absolutely explode. And the best part is most of the work will be taken care of for you with the AI tools I will show you. So just click the link in the description below and get this free ebook sent to your email so you can know what most people don't when it comes to making a YouTube channel explode and make lots of money as a result. Okay, now let's get back to the video. While it's uploading, let's talk about the title. Keep it snappy and under 40 characters. How about From Fat to Six Packs Quick Fitness Guide? Tags? For shorts, they're less crucial but still helpful. I'm going with #shorts. Finally, SEO. Even for shorts, keywords matter. Use TubeBuddy to find keywords that are trending in the shorts category and sprinkle them into your title and description. Boom, your short isn't just up, it's optimized to grab those views. You're not just in the game, you're playing to win. So you've uploaded and optimized. What's next? Tracking performance, of course. This is where you see if your hard work is paying off. Head to YouTube Studio and click on the Analytics tab. You'll see metrics like views, watch time, and even how many times your short appeared in the Shorts feed. This is gold, people. To get even more specific, adjust the time frame in the upper right corner. This will show you when your metrics spiked, helping you understand what's working and what's not. And there you have it. You're not just making shorts, you're mastering them. Let's talk results, but not just the numbers you see on your analytics dashboard. I mean the real impact. After implementing these AI tools, you'll notice not just a spike in views or subscribers. You'll see more meaningful engagement, comments that go beyond nice video, shares that aren't just from your mom, and even collaborations or business inquiries. This is the power of AI in action. It's not just about making things easier, it's about making them better. So there you have it. A complete guide to creating 101 YouTube Shorts in just 8 minutes, all thanks to some mind-blowing AI tools. Don't just take my word for it, try it out and watch your channel soar. And make sure you subscribe to the AI Spotlight for more valuable content. Also, consider subscribing to our newsletter using the link in the description below to learn about the latest AI business and tech news. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.